Hi, welcome to Stuart Powell Ford. My name's Janice Albright, and this is a brand new F-150 Ford four-wheel drive truck. We did an upgrade for Ford for the accessories department that we have available here at the dealership.
This is a SuperCab, and I'm going to show you a few of our accessories that we have available at the dealership. This is our Ford floor liners. They are really versatile. They're easy to take in and out and to clean. They have the thick cleats on the back, so they will stick down into the carpet. You don't have to worry about your feet going out from under you. Take them out, wash them, put them right back in. There's a two-piece set for the front, and they do have the F-150 logo on those. They're contoured straight for the floor, so you don't have to worry about them not fitting right. All right, now on the rear, we have the rear mat. It goes all the way across. It's a one-piece mat, easy to get in and out, has the thick cleats on the back side of it as well. This is the step bars. The step bars add a little appearance package to your vehicle. They make access in and out to the vehicle a lot easier. We have those available in black or chrome. We also have available the nice inner wheelhouse liners. These protect the inside of your bed. If you run over something in the road, it will come up and hit this instead of damaging your bed on the inside. Also available is the Tailpipe Extension. These are the nice chrome ones. They add a little sound to the truck, and they're stylish. We also have available the factory drop-in bed liners. With the bed liners, you get the bed liner and the tailgate liner. We also added what they call bed cleats. These are tie downs if you're hauling something and you have 4 of them. You have the corners to where you can make things stationary. You don't have to worry about anything sliding around. We also have the tonneau cover. This is one of the newer versions of the tonneau cover. It's what they call a hard rolling. You do not lose any of the visibility of your back glass with this item. It's easy to roll up and roll down, and here's the way it goes backward. When you want to close it, you just roll it nice and easy, and when you get ready to close it, it snaps down. Okay, when you shut your tailgate, you lock your truck. This is locked, so no one can get access to the inside of your bed. We also have something new that Ford's brought out as an applique for the tailgate. This is in a black chrome. It's the F-150. On this 150, it does not come with remote start, but we can add remote start to your fob from your factory fob. We can add that here too. We also have available in chrome or smoke the bug guard, and we also have the rain guards. We can get those in smoke or chrome. Again, come on out to Stuart Powell Ford for any accessories that you might need in Danville, Kentucky. Thank you and have a great day.